Sure, Shagatum everyone, what's up? This is Safardi, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put together a slingshot that's made in China. So I'm going to be showing you all the parts, how to assemble them, the engineering behind all of it, so watch the full video. Bam, here we are. This is the main body. It's pretty cool. As you can see, we have a horse as the main symbol on both sides, and we have a horse here. And behind it, this is actually a magnet, and I'm gonna be showing you very soon how this is very cool. This is the rubber sling, so it's pretty elastic, not the best quality, but still it's like good for hobbies. And just then we have these two pieces that's gonna be attached to here and here. Then we have two screws. So yeah, it's like pretty self-explanatory. Next, we have two very small, I don't know, like it's like screws, like mini screws. That's black. So it might get lost since it's very tiny. So you gotta, watch out for them. Make sure you put them where you can see them. And this is gonna be used to attach a laser on one side, and on another side you're going to be attaching something that helps you to balance while shooting. So this is the laser, the coolest part. So it does work. Let me show you. See, so it's working. Yeah, very cool. And then we have this thing. I don't know what it is. It's just, it's like water filled or some kind of fluid inside, and whenever there's a little bubble, whenever the bubble is in the middle, it means you are balanced, and that's the perfect position to shoot. Next, we have this ring or whatever it's called, and a piece of key. And last but not least, we have this thing. It's another key. It's for the mini screws. You just gotta set it in, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna show you how to assemble it very fast. So let's go. So yeah, you just gotta use your hand, if you have hands, hopefully. I'm not fully tightening it yet, and you'll know very soon why. Just leave it a little bit gap for now. Do the same for the other side. Okay, now take the rubber sling. Make sure to push this to create a gap, see? And now you can just squeeze in the rubber sling. Just make sure it reaches till the end. Alright, so it should look a little bit like this. See? Now make sure none of the rubber goes to the outside, stays within this limit. Hold it and finally tighten up the screw. Okay, so do the same for the other side here. Alright, so this now looks like a basic slingshot, it's functional. But since this one's special, we're gonna add some features here. So first, let's do the laser. So put this on the laser. You see, it doesn't stay, so you need to put this on top. Screw it down. Actually, it's easier to move this downwards. Oops. Seems like the laser's pretty excited. Alright, it's tight enough. So since this one's the front and this one's the back, you want the laser to be pointing in the front, right? This is the front side of the laser. See? So you want it to be facing that direction. So it's gonna be going on the left side of the slingshot. Make sure these pointed side remains on the top. So you first put it here. See, there's like a gap. So you insert, slide it in, and make sure it doesn't cross this section. Make sure it stays within the borders, but it doesn't stay, right? Now you need those black little mini screws, you know what I'm saying? So I'm talking about this one right here. So see those little holes on top? So you want to put it here, but it's very tough. It's not easy. So you need this. It's like a key to these mini screws. It actually fits like this, see? And you carefully insert and start drilling. For some reason it's not smooth, but you just have to have some patience. Be careful with this. Yeah, it's getting tight. It's working. Yeah, I think it's done. Yep. See? The laser is fixated. It's stable now. It's not falling off. Similarly, you gotta put this on this side. So again, the same way, slide this here, take one of those mini black screws, take your key. Now again, same thing, make sure it doesn't cross this border, because you want to have enough space in between, you know. Then similarly, put it in and drill it. Take some time with it because you want to make sure it's tight enough, it's intact and doesn't fall off. Whoops. Speaking of falling off, yep, I think this is it. Here we have the awesome looking slingshot, catapult, whatever you call it. Everything's tight, everything's working. And I almost forgot, man, these are the balls. So there's plenty here. See, it's like pretty tiny, but you know, pretty much you can use anything on the sling. So you take the ball, put it in the center, make sure to cover it like this, and then turn on the laser if you want, and just shoot. So yeah guys, this was the slingshot setup tutorial. Oh, I almost forgot. So I told you guys this is like a magnet, right? If you want to store some balls, these little balls, you can just put it here. It's gonna stay, see? Whenever you need one, just take it from there, turn on your laser. If you need them, just shoot them. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this slingshot setup video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment down below what you think, and yeah, pretty cool. So guys, before we end this video, I just have one last thing to say. So these slingshots, very beautiful. Another one I have here, we got an eagle in between. I love eagles, but what I want to say is, don't use these slingshots for inhumane activities, if you know what I mean. Like there's some people, awfully cruel people, who shoot birds, hurt animals, shoot frogs even, I heard. There's some animals in the wild that they target, and just for their evil psychotic satisfaction, they attack animals, and I absolutely condemn that. I prefer keeping these as a collection, using them for games, friendly competitions, maybe shooting targets, just recreational hobbies basically. So yeah, just wanted to give a friendly reminder, don't use them for bad stuff, because that's not right, that's not right. Anyway guys, it was a long video, I know, but if you've watched until now, leave a like, subscribe to Bengalscape, and thank you for watching. This was your bird Safardi, signing off for now.
Subscribe to Bengalscape.